Oil and gas does not form because dinosaurs died. Here is what really happened. Oil begins with tiny marine organisms, not dinosaurs. Millions of years ago, tiny organisms called planktons lived in ancient seas. When they died, their remains settled at the bottom and were buried under sediments. As burial increased, heat and pressure transformed this organic material into kerogen and then into oil and gas. Oil and gas form under specific temperature conditions called the oil window. Too cold, no oil is formed. Too hot, only gas will be formed. Oil and gas formed under specific geologic conditions, and it takes millions of years. Should I explain what the oil window truly means? Oil never stays where it is formed. It migrates. Oil forms deep in source rock, usually shale. But shale is tight and does not allow oil to flow easily. So it moves upwards through porous rocks and fractures. This movement happens because oil is lighter than water. Therefore, oil cannot accumulate in large quantities without migration. This explains why oil can never be found in the places where it is formed. Can I explain primary and secondary migration? Oil is useless unless it is trapped. For oil to accumulate, 5 elements must exist: source rock, time and heat, migration pathway, reservoir rock, trap and seal. A trap is formed when oil is stopped by an impermeable rock like shale or salt dome. Common traps include anticlines, fractures, and salt domes. Without a trap, oil migrates to the surface. The role of petroleum geologists is to locate where all these elements exist. Should I explain the structural and most common traps and seals?